Hello friends, this is Dr. Gurpreet and today I'm going to share a case that I have posted in my last story in which I have posted the picture of a person with a huge mole on his nose and after the medicine and the mole got disappeared, it got completely dissolved within the skin only. So before going to the case, first of all I would like to thank each and every customer who have ordered these organic soaps from me and have used them, and we have got the overwhelming response from all these customers who have used these soaps. They have really felt a great difference in their skin, and especially I have recommended these soaps to my patients who were allergic to cosmetics and their skin were really very sensitive and allergic, and they have really felt very I must say a huge difference in their skin, and they have never complained about any kind of allergy after using them. So I would request everyone to must give a try to these soaps, as these are very अपना minimal amount है इनकी, that is just ₹100 per soap, except for the milk honey and the almond which cost ₹110. You can order either from me at 9915031036, or I am sharing the number to whom you can contact directly. And now coming back to the case, इस केस में आई हैव सेलेक्टेड, बहुत छोटी सी कन्वर्सेशन थी पेशेंट के साथ इसमें मेरी। जब पेशेंट मेरे पास आए थे तो मैंने उनसे पूछा था कि ठीक है आपको ये मोल है तो इससे आपको क्या दिक्कत आ रही है। तो पेशेंट ने सीधा कहा कि मुझे इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये तो बहुत लंबे टाइम से है, लेकिन तो मैं कहा फिर अब क्यों मेडिसिन चाहिए आपको। तो ही सेड कि इसका साइज जो है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है दिन पे दिन, तो इसलिए मेरे को सिर्फ मेडिसिन चाहिए। तो इसमें जो मैंने 2 रूब्रिक सेलेक्ट करे थे, इट वॉज हार्डली अ 1 or 2 minute conversation, and on the basis of that only I have prescribed the medicine. फर्स्ट रूब्रिक दैट आई हैव सेलेक्टेड वॉज इंडिफरेंस टू हिज कंप्लेंट्स। उसका मोल था, बहुत सालों से है, बट उसे इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है। तो जब किसी को किसी अपनी प्रॉब्लम से, कंप्लेंट से, बीमारी से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, इन दैट केस वी टेक द रूब्रिक इंडिफरेंस कंप्लेंट्स टू। And the second rubric that I took in this case was fear extravagance of. Extravagance का मतलब क्या होता है? जब कोई आपकी कंप्लेंट जो होती है वो बढ़ जाती है या बढ़ रही होती है, then we take this rubric fear extravagance of. तो on the basis of these 2 rubrics only I prescribed him opium, and with opium 30 I have got the wonderful results, and he hardly took the medicine for I think 2 weeks only, and within that time only his mole completely got disappeared. So this is the beauty of homeopathy, and if you have any queries you can contact me at 9915031036. Thank you. Have a nice day.